Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to customize the Renovate website template, and without wasting much time, let's just get into the video. So when you get the template, you're going to land on this canvas. This is the first thing you're going to do, you're going to see. So the first thing you're going to do is you have to generate the content for the template, for the website I mean. Now the way to do that is very simple. Just go over here. You see this video tutorial, copy this link below it, copy the link, and then go and paste it on your browser. This is the link that will take you to the dashboard. On the dashboard is where you will see all the videos on how to customize this template and all the tools you need to customize the template. So go over here. Now this is the dashboard. When you paste, this is the dashboard. Scroll down. The step one, click on this button to copy the prompt you need for AI to generate your content for you. Then go to cloud. Why did I say cloud? Because cloud is actually the best AI tool for copywriting. So that's why I prefer to use cloud than ChatGPT or Gemini. So go to cloud and paste in the prompt. But don't hit send yet, and go back to your dashboard and scroll down. Now you see there are 8 questions. You just need to answer these 8 questions here. Name them one after the other when you're answering the question. This is just so that we can get to your company details, to know about your company and everything about your company. That's just all. Let me get something. So when you've answered all the questions, make sure to number them as you're answering it. Then copy the answer. Click here to copy the answer and go back to cloud. Then paste it in and then click send. What this will do is that Claude will now generate all your content for you. The content you need in those templates, Claude will just generate it for you. Wait for it to finish generating the content one. So after Claude has generated all your content, you can see all the content you need right over here. You can see there one by one, the hero session, the service, all the content you need. So after you've gotten all your content, now go back to your canvas and now let's start customizing the templates. To start customizing this template, you have to go over here, click on this CMS, and then it will take you to the CMS collection. These are all the collections you need to customize the templates. Now we're going to start with the first one. I will explain the rest later, but let's just start with the first one first, which is the customized template. The customized template is where you're going to add the company, the website details, the details that Claude has generated for you. This is where you're just going to add them. Now you can add a new item if you want, if you don't want to use the one I've already added, or you can just use the one I've already added. Let's just, for the sake of this video, let's just use the one I've already created. So now the title has to be your company name. Do not use any other name. Just, it needs to be your company name. First of all, let me just talk about, this is a long list where if you fill up all this list, you're actually editing the template. You don't have to edit the template on the canvas. You just have to fill up all these lists one after the other, and then you can just you have customized your templates, and that's just all. So the title, after you've put your company name, the second field will now be your logo. This is the dark version of your logo, not the light version, the dark version, and then the light version. And then you add your phone number link here, your phone number here. And then for the phone number link, you have to add this TEL, then the asterisk, to turn it into a link. Because if you not add this stuff, this TEL, it will not be a link, it will just be a number. So to make it into a link, where if somebody click it, it will now dial their number and call them. You have to add this TEL. Then for the email, you write your email here, and then for the email link, you have to add that mail to. The mail to is so that you can turn the email into a link. Then add your location here, and then the primary color. This is where you choose your primary color. If your brand color is not green, you can change it. To change it, you just click here, click on this edit button, and then paste in your own brand color code here. After you've pasted your brand color code, you just close it, and that's how you edit the brand primary color. Then you now add your social media link. The social media that your company is actually active on, just add the link here. Anyone your company is not on, just leave that space blank. As you can see, Pinterest here is blank and Twitter is blank. The rest, if you have the link, add it. If you don't add it, if you don't have a account on that platform, just leave it blank. Then the general pages, this is all the pages in this template. The pages, the on the navigation bar, the links you see on the navigation bar, these are all the pages. So any page you don't want to be visible, you just hide it here. Now the page you have to hide is this ad. You need to hide this ad page because I just put there so that you can see the ad before you buy the template. But when you've bought the template, you just hide it. You don't need to show it on the navigation. But if you want to run ad, then that's when you need this ad. But if you're not running any ad, you just hide it. Click here to hide it. Then for the general CTAs, this is the call to action, title, headline, and button that you need. So anywhere where there is a call to action, this is the headline and the subtitle that it will use. So Cloud has already generated it for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste it here, and that's all. And then for this section, these are the sections inside your homepage. Any section you don't want to be visible here, you can hide it. If you don't want the service section to be visible, hide it. If you don't have any project yet, hide the project section. If you don't want the process or the test, any section you don't want to be visible, this is you just hide it here. Now this is now where you now start customizing the templates. You start with the hero headline, the sub headline. If you want the visuals on the hero section to be a video or an image, this is where you select it. Right now the visual there is a video, but if you don't have a video or you don't want a video to be there, you want to put an image, just come here and select it. And this is for the image, and this is for the video. So that's just how you customize the templates. And this is for your reviews. You add your reviews here. If you have Google reviews, you just add how many reviews you have. If you had home advisor review, you add it. If you're on house, you add your reviews, and if you're on Angie, you add the reviews. Any reviews you don't have, just leave the number at 0. Then for the awards, this award is actually just for house award. If you're on the house award platform and you've won an award, just add the year you won that award, and that's it. Add the year. If you have multiple award, add the year, then add a comma, then add the next year you won it. As you can see here, the 2026, they won it in 2026, and then they won it in 2019. So if you don't want the award to show, you just click here to hide it. And then from there on, you just start customizing the template. This is the service section, the title. You can add the title here. How many services do you offer? If you offer just one service, or if you offer 2 or 3 services, just choose how many services you offer and then select it here, and then start customizing the template. Just go to Cloud and copy and paste the content Claude has generated for you. You don't have to think about this part. All you have to do is just copy and paste. The rest of the list is just copy and paste, copy and paste. For the images and the videos, I've created a separate video on how to create your own image if you do not like these images here. So if you want to create your own image or your own video, go and watch that video. It's actually on the customization dashboard. Go there, watch the video, and then generate your own image. So for the rest, you just have to just copy and paste, copy and paste. That's just it. Everything here is copy and paste. I created icons where you can select whichever icons you want. So it's up to your choice. It's very easy to customize. You don't have to do much. You just copy and paste. If you look at it, scroll down, you just copy. All this content you're seeing here, Claude has generated it for you. You don't have to think about it yourself. All the contents, Claude has already generated it. Just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. And that's just it. So the next, let's close this part. The next one is now the testimonial section. This is where you are going to add your own testimonials. Before you start adding testimonials, make sure you delete the ones that are already here. These are not your testimonials. These are the ones that came with the template. So if you want to add your own, delete the ones that are here. The way to delete the ones that are here is just click on all of them. When you click on all of them, you right click and then you delete. Then after you deleted the testimonials, you go here, click here, and then start adding your own testimonials. Very easy to customize. Let's close this. Go to project. You can see right here, this is the project, your past project. If you want to add your own project, make sure you delete this project first. These are not your project. These are yours, the project that came with the template. The same way you deleted the testimonial on, just select the all the project here, right click on it and then delete it. Right click on it and then delete it. Then start adding your own templates. Very, very easy to customize. Same thing with the ad. Now, this section is only if you want to run ads. You don't actually have to generate the content yourself. I've actually provided an AI prompt that generates the ad content for you. So the way to get that ad content is just go back to the dashboard, scroll down, and then the third step is the AI, is the ad copy. Copy this prompt and then go back to the cloud where you generated the content. And then before you paste it, you need to tell them which ad you want to create it for. Is it for a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel or a deck remodel? So for this is for a bathroom. Let's just say a bathroom remodel. So I'm gonna say for a bathroom remodel. Alright, then you're gonna give space and then paste in the prompt. When you paste in the prompt and then send, what this will do is that Claude will now generate the content for your ad. All you have to do is now just copy and paste. I want to say one thing. It did not generate the guarantees for the ad. There is a guarantee section. That part you have to decide on your own which guarantee you want to give. But apart from the guarantees, Claude generate the rest of the content for you. So, all right. As you can see right there, all you have to do is just copy and paste it. If you don't like the content, you can tell Claude to or customize it, but Claude has generated the content. You just have to copy and paste, then go back to your canvas, and then this one is actually for a kitchen ad. If you want to add a bathroom ad, you can add as many ads as you want. You just click here to add the ad you want, then change all this stuff. The content that Claude generated for you, you just come here and copy and paste them by yourself, and that's it. Very, very easy to customize. You see, just it's not really a long list like the first one. It's just short. Just paste in all your content here, close it. And then for the ad testimonials, this is the testimonials you want to put in the ad. You just delete the ones that are here and then add your own testimonials, and that's it. Very, very simple and easy to customize. So the next thing is the SEO. So after you've customized your template the way you want, it's now for you to add the SEO. The first thing you're gonna do is you need to get the SEO image. After you've added your own videos and image, you need to get the SEO image, the image people will see when they browse your website on Google, the image they will see first. So to get that image, you need to first of all go over here, click on this preview, let this preview, and then go to this height here, change the height to 630. Then use a sniping tool to screenshot this view you're seeing right here. If you're using Chrome, if you're using a PC, you should use the PC sniping tool. Let me bring it out. So just use it to screenshot. Let me screenshot this. And if you're using a Mac, we use the Mac sniping tool. Use it to screenshot this view. Use it to screenshot this view. Then when after you screenshot this view, save it. Save the view somewhere because you're gonna use it. Then after you save it, go back and then go to these settings over here. Now, this is where you add your SEO title and descriptions. Claude already generated the SEO for you, so you just have to go back to your Claude. Go back to your Claude and then you look for the SEO that Claude generated for you. Oh, this is the first one. Yeah, click it. Scroll down. Yeah, this is it. This is the SEO. Claude has generated it for you. Just copy it and paste it. Let's go back to the canvas. Just copy it and paste it here. Then this 5 icon here, you add your company icon here. The icon people will see when they on browser, the icon they will see at the top. That is what this 5 icon means. You add your icon here. Then the image you just screenshotted, this is where you just paste it. Upload the image here. This one you can use your company icon here. Just upload it. And that is it. It's just very, very easy. After you've added your site settings here, you do the same thing for the rest of the section, the rest of the pages. You do the same thing for the about, the home page, the about page, the contact page. Just add the title and description, the one that Claude generated for you. You don't have to think about it yourself. Just go and copy and paste it here. So that is it. That's how you customize the template. Very, very easy to customize. And also, let's say if you don't have time to do all this yourself, you're busy with work and you just want someone to do it for you. I actually offer a customization service where I will customize this for you, get it running for you in less than in 24 hours, and then publish it for you in 24 hours for just a fee of $300. So if you want me to do it for you, just contact me and I will do it for you. But if you want to do it yourself, you can do it yourself. It's actually very easy to customize yourself. So thank you, and that's the end of the video.